Hi, so today we're going to be covering how to divide any number by 11 in just a couple of seconds. So you need to realize that there's a pattern involved when dividing by 11. So for example, if we were doing 1 divided by 11, it would be 0.090909, and it would go on, which is 0.09 recurring. Now, if we were doing 2 divided by 11, you would get 0.181818, which is 0.18 recurring. 3 divided by 11 would be 0.272727, which is 0.27 recurring. 4 over 11 is 0.363636, which is 0.36 recurring. So you should start to see a pattern there. 5 divided by 11 is 0.4545. So what we're doing is essentially is we're going up in the 9 times table, if you would, right? 0.9 to 1.8, 2.7, 3.6, 4.5. The next one be 5.4, 6.3, etc. I'll just go through them anyway, for sake of completion. This would be 0.45 recurring. 6 over 11 is 0.5454, which is 0.54 recurring. 7 divided by 11 is 0.6363, which is 0.63 recurring. 8 divided by 11 is 0.7272. And you can start to see that it's the opposite of the others, right? So 4 divided by 11 was 0.36 recurring. 7 divided by 11, you flip it to make it 0.63 recurring. Same for 3 over 11 is 0.2727, etc. 8 over 11 is 0.7272, etc. And last but not least, 10 divided by 11 is 0.9090, which is 0.90 recurring. So that's the basic pattern here when dividing by 11. Now we're going to look at what happens when you have a number such as, let's say, 45 divided by 11. What would you do? So let's say we have 45 over 11. 11 times 4 is 44, so it would be 4 with 1/11 left over. If you want to write it in decimal format, that would be 4.0909 recurring, which would be 4.09 recurring. We'll do a few more for today. 278 over 11. How would you go about doing that? Pause the video if you need to. So 11 times 25 would be 275, 3 left over. What happens when it's 3 left over? The pattern is 27 recurring. It's that simple. We'll do 2 more for today. 199 divided by 11. 11 times 18 is 198, so this would be 18 with 1/11 remaining, which would be 18.09 recurring. And final one, 2,235 divided by 11. What would that equal? I'll give you a few seconds to think. Well, 11 times 200 is 2200. So 2233 would be 203. We'd have 2 11ths left over, which equals 203. We can look, if you take a look at the notes from the previous couple pages, you'd know that 2 over 11 is 1 8 recurring. So that concludes the video for today. If you have any questions about this, leave them down below. If you have any video suggestions, also leave them down below.